Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. You know what I'm doing? I'm installing treated lumber furring strips on this poured concrete wall. I want to share a few tips with you right now. I just put in the nails to hold this forever into this poured concrete. Remember, there's not going to be much pull-out force here, and believe me, you can't pull this out. Here's a little tip. The contractors who are going to watch this video, they're going to laugh at this method of what I just did. Well, guess what? They've got the money, they've got the tool, they've got a Ramset tool that can shoot nails in really quickly. My method's a little harder and longer, but it's for homeowners who don't have that expensive tool. I just drilled a 1/4-inch hole, and then I take 4 2 3/8 nails, or sometimes it might be 3, it depends on the diameter of the shaft. Just put them together, hammer them in, solid as can be. Simple as that. That's all you have to do. Why am I putting the furring strips horizontally? Look here. This particular poured concrete wall, it's really wavy. It's really wavy. And by putting these horizontally, it helps make the wall straight. And sometimes you'll have to use shims to make it straight. You know, make these so that the wall is not too wavy. It's really that simple to install treated lumber furring strips on poured concrete. I'm Tim Carter, Ask the Builder.
If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.